Hello there. Happy Sunday. So I found this laptop in the trash and the screen didn't work. And the reason the screen didn't work is because the previous owner, thinking they were clever, put things between the bezel and the bottom of the screen. And this was a cold cathode LCD screen, so it snapped. So what I've done is, in my little electronics drawer here, I have a bunch of these 12-volt LED strip, 3M adhesive LED strip, and I stuck it to the bottom and I'm running 12 volts into it, and as you can see, the screen itself is actually fine and it's not that bad of a quality screen either. And just by sticking this LED strip down in there and running 12 volts into it, it works. So as silly as this is coming off of like an old adapter from a router I have. As silly as this is, it works. This is basically how an LED screen works. They have probably some LEDs around the bottom here, and then like a TV rock that's vertically oriented. Basically, there's something that carries the light up evenly to the top so that you get a nice image top to bottom, even though the lights are all only down here. So that's kind of cool. This is like a garbage laptop. It's like a dual-core AMD, but I just thought that was funny. Fixing a cold cathode laptop with LEDs. There you go. Alright, let's try turning this on from nothing. It's lit because the screen is always on. The backlight is always on, no matter what. But yeah. As you can see, really low angles look funny on this monitor, but bang on, it looks pretty good actually with this makeshift LED backlight. That's kind of amazing.